Hello students, another important question on the topic of vector, and the question says that vector PQ is equal to, in column form, vector PQ is equal to, in column form, 4 minus 2. Yes, and the question says that the A part, the position vector of point Q is, in column form, 2, 5. Here the position vector of point Q means OQ. Yes, when we represent a point as position vector, we have to show that with reference to some origin O. So OQ. Find the position vector of point P. Again, the position vector of point P. The position vector of point P is OP. We always write the position vector of a point as, let's say, a point P as OP. Now we always start solving the question by using the given information. The given information is here. Vector PQ is equal to 4 minus 2, in column form 4 minus 2, and this vector PQ can also be written as OQ minus OP. And if you are feeling confusion at this step, why do we write PQ in the form OQ minus OP, you can watch my video on this step, and the title of that video is Basic on Vector, Basics of Vectors. So this 4 minus 2, yes. Now the point Q, the position vector of point Q is 2, 5. Just plug in that over here. 2, 5 minus OP equal to 4 minus 2, and this is equal to, we make OP as object. To make OP as object, we bring that to the other side of the equation. When we bring that to the other side of the equation, this minus becomes positive. When we do not read plus sign normally, and this vector, this one, we bring this one over here, the other side of the equation, so that becomes positive. The sign changes, that becomes negative, because when we bring something from to other side of the equation, so the sign always changes. The sign is always changed. 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2, and 5 minus minus plus, this becomes plus algebraically, so that is equal to minus 2, 7. Yes, this is the solution of the first part of the equation question. You can pause the video and note down, copy down this working, because I am going to erase this to solve the B part of the equation. B part of the question. What does the B part of the question say? It says magnitude of the vector PQ is equal to A if magnitude of the vector PQ is equal to under root A, find the value of A. So again we use the given information. The given information is that magnitude of vector PQ is equal to under root A. We can write this here. So we know that we can find out the magnitude of the vector by taking under root of x square plus y square. Here the vector PQ, and this is x axis or x coordinate, this is y axis or y coordinate. We just plug in the values over here. So x square means 4 square plus y square means minus 2 whole square equal under root A. 4 square means 16, 2 square minus 2 whole square means 4 under root A. So yes, we can write this as this. Under root A is equal to 20. Yes, here under root A is equal to under root 20. So under the root there is A, under the root there is 20. So value of A is equal to 20. This is the solution of the B part of the question. So this was very important question, and this question is normally repeated in IGCSE exams and GCE exams. So you have to practice these types of questions. In the next video we will solve another advanced question on the topic of vector. You can subscribe my channel for such types of conceptual videos. Thank you.